Today, we are analyzing the housing market in zip code 80634, located in Weld County, Colorado, covering the city of Greeley. This zip operates as a secondary housing market outside the core Denver footprint, with its own local employment base and more accessible pricing compared to central Denver. The housing stock in this area includes a mix of homes built from the 1960s through the 2000s, along with newer suburban development. Property types include single-family homes, townhomes, and multifamily properties, creating a wider range of price points and more flexible supply compared to land-constrained urban markets. Now let's look at the numbers. The median home price in zip code 80634 is $469,900. That reflects a negative 1.3% change year over year, indicating slight price softening. Homes in this zip are selling in a median of 33 days on market, with about 180 active listings. The sale-to-list price ratio is 98%, which means homes are still selling close to asking price, but buyers have some negotiating room. The median rent is $1,650 per month. That produces a price-to-rent ratio of 28.5, showing that ownership is still more expensive than renting, but the gap is narrower than in higher-priced Denver metro areas. Median household income in this zip is approximately $82,000, with mortgage rates near 6.5% and a 20% down payment. The estimated monthly ownership cost is about $2,400. That works out to about 35% of median household income, placing this market near standard affordability thresholds. Using the Denver Housing Trends Framework, the affordability score is 42 out of 100, which places zip code 80634 in the moderately constrained category. If you want more zip-level housing breakdowns like this, consider subscribing so you can follow how pricing, affordability, and inventory conditions vary across different markets, and use that data to compare where opportunities may exist. Inventory conditions are currently balanced, with an inventory pressure score of 50 out of 100. Price momentum is classified as cooling, and the overall scenario classification is market rebalancing. The dominant market tension in zip code 80634 is affordability pressure versus stable inventory levels. Market leverage is balanced based on moderate days on market, stable listing activity, and homes selling close to asking price. In summary, zip code 80634 reflects a balanced housing market with moderate activity levels and relatively improved affordability compared to higher-priced metro areas. The key takeaway is that ownership still costs more than renting, but the gap is narrower, making this zip more accessible within the broader regional housing market.